Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have got you this look right here. This is quite a glam, smoky, daytime kind of look, and I just realized after I finished getting ready with you all that today I have picked up all my bougie ass products, which was not intended at all, trust me on that. So I am just like naturally that kind of bougie. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is really simple. I have used barely 2 to 3 eyeshadows, all matte. So this is quite versatile as well. And I have paired it with this lip right here. And this lip, you guys, this lip color is giving me life right now. I'm just loving it. Really. And my hair is just like second day hair, so it's doing its own thing. Don't mind it. Really hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me here, and you know the drill. If you really like what I've done and generally my work, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Until next time, bye guys. I probably should have changed my clothes and done my hair, but I have just woken up, guys. My face is still swollen, but I just wanted to roll with it. So today I've got some errands to run around, and I am going shopping also for myself. If you guys don't know, I like to go on shopping by myself. So let's start. So this is my favorite way of starting my foundation routine. This is the Urban Decay Rebound Collagen Infused Complexion Priming Spray. And then just around my T-zone area where I have enlarged pores, I will use this Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. So this is the smoothing primer. Do you see that spray instantly adds some radiance to my face? And of course I have used that Garnier sheet mask last night. That also has helped to plump and just soothe my face and hydrate as well. So now we will let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So for our foundation today, we are mixing a concoction of these two Giorgio Armani foundations and this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for some additional radiance boost. And I am going to mix these three at the back of my hand, and I'm gonna apply it the usual way. First I'm gonna dot it around my face, and then I will blend it in with my beauty blender. Now for my concealer, I'm using these NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. These concealers are brilliant. These look so flawless onto your skin, and it stays long, it's full coverage. For our cream highlight today, I'm using this Marc Jacobs one. I think this is called the Dew Drops. These are so gorgeous on the skin. They just look like you're glowing from within. So I'm going to apply it with my fingers first at the top of my cheekbones, at the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. And then I will come back with my small damp beauty blender to blend it all into my skin. And to set everything in place, I'm using this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder, but I am going to use this in a different way. Like, I'm going to take a damp sponge and I'm gonna take that powder onto that sponge first, just pounce it at the back of my hand, and I'm going to press it onto my face. So using a damp sponge to set your face is going to lock everything in. Like, when you really want a long-lasting makeup, you can apply your powder like this rather than baking the whole face. Quick alternative for baking. Now let's move on to the brows. I'm gonna quickly fill them in with my ABH brow wiz, I think that's what they're called. My shade is dark brown. Give your brows a quick set. I'm using my ABH brow setting gel. You can use any brow setting gel, or even you can use a clear mascara to do this step. To bronze up my face today, I am using this Bahama Mama from the Balm Cosmetics. And then to highlight, I'm using this Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is my ultimate favorite highlight. And then for our blush, I'm using this Dallas blush from the Benefit Cosmetics. So this is a quite neutral blush, and this does not add a lot of color to your cheeks, but it's like quite in between. I really like this. Now that we have forgotten our eye primer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a setting powder. This is my Soap and Glory Kickers powder, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid quite heavily. Today we are going to use this palette from Huda Beauty, the Mauve Obsession, and I am going to take this shade right here with a big fluffy brush like this and apply it quite messily all over our lid. You reach up the crease, just on small circular motion, blend it onto your crease. So to deepen up just around my lash line and a little bit on the outer corner, I will be using this shade on a more tapered brush. Start with a small amount and apply messily around the lash line so that the lash line looks heavier. To blend in our crease shade, I am going to be mixing this shade with this shade and blend our crease. I finished off my lower lash line, and I just realized that I didn't turn on my recording button, so I'll tell you what all I have used. So on my lower lash line, I have used this Rimmel Scandalized pencil in the shade Nude, just to open up our eyes a little bit more. And then to diffuse out that line, we use the same two shades that we used on our lids from this palette. So first I took and smoked out the lash line, like the whole lash line, and then just at the outer corner I have taken the same dark purpley shade on a small pencil brush and applied it just at the outer corner of our lower lash line and connected these two together. Alright, so now what we will do is we will curl our lashes. No, we have to highlight our inner corners. I am forgetting everything today. I'm using that same Laura Geller highlighter to highlight the inner corners of our eyes, and we will use the same highlight to highlight our brow bone. So I think this eye is so simple and just matte, so you can dress it up, dress it down, however you like it. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my favorite mascaras. I'm going to pop on my mascara and I will be right back. Only if I can open this. So our eyes are officially finished. I've got a little bit of mascara on my lid. I am quite happy about the eyes are looking. I mean, it's pretty neutral, but it's like definitely daytime wearing glam. Alright, so now let's finish off the lips. And for that, I have got my two favorites, the Tom Ford matte lipstick in the shade number 30 Christopher, and the Dior Rouge, what is it called? Rouge Dior Liquid in number 614 Jungle Matte. I think the shade name is Jungle. First come with the Tom Ford lipstick. Oh, I love this lipstick. It just makes you look instantly posh. That's what it is. Posh in a tube. So our look is officially done, you guys. I think I want to add a little bit more glow. You guys know I can never have enough highlight on my face. And I think I want to add a little bit of wing just at the outer corner of my eyes. And I remembered that I forgot to tide line my upper waterline. For that I'm using a black eye pencil. I need to set my face, of course, with my Morphe setting spray. Like so. So that's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you have enjoyed spending time with me today. And until next time, take care.